Hey, what's up everyone? So in this video, I'm going to be doing the unboxing and review of this Philips air fryer that I've got here. The model number of this is HD9200/90, and with this you can do a lot of things like you can roast, you can bake, you can grill, and lastly the USP of this product is frying. So for frying it requires very less amount of oil, and that's what makes the air fryer stand out when compared to other kitchen appliances. So that being said, let's quickly do the unboxing. Along with the unboxing, I'll explain the different features of this product, and then towards the end I'll do a little demo where we'll see how these marinated chicken pieces turn out in this air fryer. Alright, so the first thing that we've got in here is some documentation. So this is for the NutriU app, which has 500 plus recipes. The next thing that we have is the user manual. So this is an important document and you should keep it safe. And lastly, I think this is this is about the warranty. So that's the paperwork that you get with the product. So this right here is the main unit that requires a power supply similar to your microwave or your refrigerator, and that's provided by this 16 ampere plug, which is obviously connected to the device. And on this unit, on top you'll see some instructions about cooking some general items like chicken and fish and some other items. So they've mentioned like the temperature that you need to set and the time that you need to set. So this makes it very convenient to cook these general items. And on the front side you get these two knobs. One is for setting the time, the second one is for setting the temperature. Yeah, so those are the two knobs, and just below that you have this basket where you need to place the items that you want to fry. So for releasing this, you'll have to push this ahead and then press this button, which will release the basket. So size wise, I think it's quite large. It can easily accommodate food for 2 to 3 people. And at the bottom of the basket you'll see this shape, and this is basically what promotes the rapid air thing that's mentioned on the box. So it will ensure that your food is fried evenly and in a faster manner. So before we get to the demonstration part, let me show you the inside of this air fryer. So here you can see a coil, and then there's a fan on top here. So essentially what happens is the coil gets heated to the temperature that you set, and then it will push, the fan will push the air onto the basket where you've placed the items, and that's how the items will get fried. So I think that's pretty much it about the product. Let's do a quick demo and we'll see how the items turn out. So what I did here was I oiled the basket with this brush, the silicone brush, and then I've placed the chicken pieces in here, and I'm just gonna lightly brush them again with oil, and then we'll push the basket in. We'll set it to 180 degrees as per the instructions on the air fryer, and we'll keep it for 10 minutes on one side and then 10 minutes on the other side. So that's locked in there. Now I'll set the time to 10 minutes and the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. So let's leave this like this for 10 minutes, and then we'll flip the pieces and fry again. So that's the sound it makes when its timer functionality is done. Now we have fried the items for 10 minutes, so let's see the status. You can see that the chicken is now half done. So let's just turn the pieces around, and we'll place them inside again for, let's say, 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, so now it's time to check the outcome, and here you can see that the chicken pieces are done. I think they look pretty nice. So they should be fried properly. From the first look of it, it looks definitely great. And the basket, it doesn't look that dirty, so it should be relatively easy to clean as well. So these are the chicken pieces that I've just pulled out from the air fryer, and I think they are done quite nicely. So with respect to frying stuff in the air fryer, I would give it 10 on 10. So that's it for this one, guys. If you have any questions about this product, then you can add those in the comments section below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video and do subscribe to my channel.